The Health Only app is a healthcare app that focuses primarily on improving the health of transplant patients by acting as a liaison between organ donors and organ receivers, as well as by motivating individuals of the community to become blood donors. The Health Only app will serve to send medication alerts at the correct time a prescription indicates, store medical records safely and protect patient identity, send motivational health reminders for instance, for heart transplant patients, let's go for a walk today, to maintain the health of their transplanted organ, alert of blood drives nearby their community, allow organ donors and blood donors to have a visual representation of the impact their help has on the lives of others, increase medication adherence, provide health management coaching, and result in patients achieving better health outcomes and overall reduced healthcare costs.
The Health Only app will alert patients when it is time for a scheduled dose of medication therapy. The app will scan medication labels and transcribe directions for a decrease in error and increase of adherence.
Transplant patients are among the most vulnerable populations our app will target. These patients are under highly stringent requirements in that they must take their medications at the correct time under the right conditions while simultaneously developing the habit of taking their medications every day. A common misconception the average person will have post-transplant is, after having felt terrible while needing an organ and now having received the organ, the patient feels like a new person. Therefore, the patient will then conclude if they feel so good, they must not need to take their medications. Our goal is to prevent that from happening, and we believe our app will keep our patients safe. Being that transplant specialists are not easily accessible, the Health Only app will provide medical record storage such as
medication list, vaccine history, and surgical history for access to both the patient and the healthcare providers. It also provides motivational sayings for transplant patients to keep their morale high and provide positivity as outcomes are achieved.
This graph shows a projected trend of mobile app downloads for 2021. More people have access to smartphones, so we believe a mobile app is the best way to reach the most amount of people. The Health Only app will provide accessibility between organ donors and organ needs by scanning IDs similar to the Wallet app.
the Health Only app will allow donors to have a visual representation similar to that of stock markets of their help in someone else's life and their community.
The Health Only app will provide a visual representation of which types of blood are in demand in the user's local blood bank. It will also provide donors to readily access information about blood drives like dates, locations, and times to help keep the blood bank in good supply. It will also provide incentives like free movie tickets, as well as discount at local restaurants.
The lowest cost of a transplant is about $262,900, not including non-medication costs, such as insurance copays, hospital stays for complications, or airfare and hotel stay. Our goal is to save the patient hundreds of thousands of dollars by preventing organ failure and improving patient health outcomes.
Help be a part of health and invest in the Health Only app. Thank you.